Good evening, everybody. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Safe Stock Trading and Investment. I have made a automated scanner which comprises all aspects of trading and investment, which which is required to make a rule-based systematic decision towards trading and investment. So, these things are the automated system comprised of these things. I will post in the screenshot of this file, and I will show you the scanner. The video may be a little bit longer. You must see the video without skipping and without skipping anything, so that you will get a perspective and clear perspective of the how the automated scanner has been made and how it will come to your work. Do follow the Twitter. This is my WhatsApp number, and this is Facebook page, and this is mail ID. All the links must see the YouTube video description. All the links will be provided. The automated scanner link will be provided in the YouTube video description itself, and also I will post in the social medias in Twitter, Facebook page, WhatsApp. So do follow. Do not forget to follow this social medias. Okay. So now we are going to the scanner. Okay. This is the scanner, automated scanner analysis by sell signal. Okay. And this is the main scanner. Okay. These are the tabs: scanner, market outlook, option chain index, Nifty Bank Nifty technical, FNO, just a minute, FNO, option chain stocks, Nifty Bank Nifty technical. First item is breakout stocks. Okay. In this section there are 52 high lows with corresponding sector, 180-day high and 90-day high, 30-day high, 7-day high, and top gainer. Okay. In the top gainers section, all the items, these highs will come under the top gainer sector section. Okay. And these are further screened with various factors. You can see in the NSE India site or many other site these high 52 highs, and these highs may be a bit difficult, but we can make it in charting. But these are screened with the various factors. Confluence of factors is very much required. A set of rules and criteria is very much required to be a systematic trader, and until and unless you are a systematic rules following trader or investor, you cannot be succeed. Myself also, I have also made it for myself also, because we will be a systematic rule based trader together. Okay. And under the top gainer section, this is these things will appear: high, low, close, percentage change, volume today, and volume surge. Volume surge means those stocks which have the volume greater than the 5-day average volume. Okay, then the support resistance these are the Bicell. I am calling it this Bicell. Actually, these are the support resistance levels. Okay, you can follow these levels. You can get these levels. Then you can compare with the see that YouTube video description. I will write down the rules for trading and investment of each segment: stock, option, Nifty, Bank Nifty, and investment fundamental sectoral analysis. Okay, everything is you will get. I will provide you 5 links, and 5 links I will provide you. Then where you can find the common stocks under the highs and then top gainer. Then you can see here that LTP greater than 2050 200 DMA and all DMA crossover. Okay, then come under the breakdown stocks, those who trade in option and future derivative market and intraday they can sell also. Okay, breakdown stocks, these are the breakdown stock: 52 week low, everything, top loser, up to top loser, every time frame, and LTP less than 20 50 200. Okay, then come under the FNO stock. Many people are there who like to trade or invest only in FNO stocks, means future and option stock. Then FNO breakout, FNO breakout, FNO breakdown stocks are there. Okay, these are not applicable, means there are no 90-day low which has come fulfilling the condition. There may be 52 week low, 90-day low, 30-day low, but the conditions I have logic I have set for the skinning, it has not come under that logic. That's why it is not appearing. Then come under the bullish reversal. You can find the stocks, common stocks from 52 week high, top gainer, 30-day high, 180-day high, LTP, EMA crossover. Then you can find whether there is a bullish reversal, common, or bearish reversal, or bullish engulfing. Okay, you can see from here in any stock you can find the total say for I am seeing SEC. You will find the indicators in all time frame, right from this is 8600 400 means on daily, weekly, monthly. 3600 means 16 to 60 means 1 hour, 16 to 30 30 minute, 15 into 60 900, and 5 minute 5 into 60 900. Okay, it will come, it loads. Actually it will take some time. Okay, you can see any stocks, and the system requirement is you should have a high speed internet. And I will and this is the signal. Okay, this is the signal, buy signal, sell signal, based on the indicator. You can see in the any time frame. This is actually loading in other place. Okay, I have hide that section. This is sheet 14. You can see here I have see, this is loading here. SEC, this is loading here. Okay, this is this page was hidden. I have hidden it because this is of no use. This you will get the result, you need the result. Okay, that's why I have hidden. These are coming, RSI and MACD, these are coming. Moving average is still loading. It will come. Okay, you can I can show you when it will come. I am hiding this sheet of me. Okay, here RSI MACD has come. Okay, moving average has not yet come. It is loading. It will come. You can check whether those stocks, the time frame you have chosen. If you are an intraday trader, you can see the 5 minute, 15 minute, and 1 hour time frame. If you are a swing trader, you can see the daily chart, daily 1 week, 1 hour. Or if you are a positional or short term trader, you can see daily, weekly, monthly, 1 hour, 15 days to fine tune your entry point. Okay. And also the levels are there. And the total 7 the entry buy sell levels. Buy sell levels means actually support resistance with respect to 7 day, 30 days, daily. It is presenting itself, this scanner. In another file I will provide you. You will get the all time frames, support resistance levels, 7 day, 30 day, 50 day, and then you can choose your entry point accordingly. Okay. Next comes under the 50 and 200 RSI, 50 DMA, 50 DMA, 200 DMA, and RSI greater than 60. These stocks will appear up to 25. It will come automatically. Then you have to go to page 2. Okay, you have to go to page 2. Then it will load from here. See here 26 to 20 and page 2. You can see the numbers 26. When I will go to page 3, when I will go to page, it is up to 50. It is up to 50. Okay. When I will go to page 3, then it will come from 51. Okay. Then it will come from 51. Here it will come from 51. It is loading. See the SEC's moving average is also came. Okay. And here it is still loading. That is no problem. It will come. Then it is this is for sell side. Okay, this is for sell side. And what are the high beta stocks? And those who have high volatility, for these are suitable for swing trading, intraday trading, not for investment. And high alpha stocks, these are the high alpha stocks. These are suitable for investment. And this is the cup and handle pattern. Okay. And here it is the market at a glance. You can see the Indian indices, global indices, advanced decline, which stocks have most active stocks, top gainer, top loser in short. Okay, only buyers, only sellers, 52 high, low. Okay, then all the indices on the daily basis, all the index performance, you can have a glimpse of the today's market, current day market, whether market is bullish or bearish. See here today, majority of the indices majority of indices has advanced, so that's why it is today market was bullish. Okay. You can see in the live market, you can gauge the market sentiment. Then it is actually end of the day report. It will be available end of the day report. It is range based on India VIX volatility. Range based on India VIX volatility. India VIX is has been calculated for Nifty and Bank Nifty, and for stocks volatility, annual and daily volatility, annualized volatility has been taken to find out the range of upper lower range of in various time frame. It will change accordingly as the India VIX and volatility, annualized volatility will change. Okay, and annualized volatility will be updated monthly. This is not required for updating every day. Once in a month is sufficient. and this is monthly range, daily range, weekly range, and probable movement, daily probable movement. Okay, and on the basis of that support resistance, T0, T1, T2 for Nifty, Bank Nifty stocks, and this is ADR, means average daily range. Average daily range is 10 days average of high minus low. Okay, this is also calculated for Nifty, Bank Nifty, and all the stocks. And what is the current position 25 with respect to ADR, 25%, 50%, 70%, 100% of the ADR, and sell side also what is the position. Okay, this will be very helpful to you, I think. And LTP near 25% or LTP near 25% in the sell side, lower side or higher side, and based on that which stocks are up and which stocks are down. Now comes on the section of delivery percentage. Delivery percent, price change increase with delivery percentage increase, price delivery percentage increase, price decrease, means these are the sell and these are the buy side. Okay, delivery quantity increase, there is no stocks available here. Delivery quantity increase, price increase, and delivery quantity increase, price decrease. Okay, this is for so this portion is for intraday, and this portion is for swing trading, positional trading, investment. Okay, and the total traded quantity increase, price decrease, total traded quantity increase, price increase. Okay, first this is the first step. Next is the market outlook. It will get a broader picture of top gainer, top loser, and their performance, technical, fundamental, everything. Say these are the top gainers of today, then you will get its performance, means percentage change in multiple time frame, daily, 1 week, 1 month, year to date, 1 year, 3 year, technical in various time frame, technical in all time frame, daily, weekly, monthly, hourly. Okay, and fundamental of these stocks. Fundamental means ratios, revenue. Okay, how much revenue, beta, EPS, and dividend. These are the fundamental, so in short, fundamental. Okay, these are here top gainers, top gainers, top losers. You can see the top losers. You can see the most active trending stocks, 52 with high, 52 low, and another is very will be very helpful, that is volume shockers. And that will be very helpful to you, because you can also screen from here itself. You can see the percentage change, negative or positive, how much percentage change, and then you can see the these things we have to, you will find very difficult to find anywhere. I am 6 years in the market. I have explored many options. Okay, and I have a large number of skinner I have made in charting also. You can see in the charting I have made a number of skinners. I have made my Excel sheet but I have made a decision to make it in the Google sheet and with automated data. Many people prefer skinning in charting, and also in many people charting also, charting and skinner.in, and also various skinners are there, stockage is there, and also various skinners are there, intraday skinner, skinner. See here it will, you will get many stocks, but yeah, this will have many drawbacks. You cannot analyze the ranges, cannot analyze the sectors. Okay, If you find here, we see with the in the Skinner tab, if you find with my name Dibyendu Mondol, actually I have mentioned here Dibyendu Mondol. Actually, see, there are number of Skinner I have made. Many are there. Up to 23 pages. You will get various Skinners from here. Okay, but this also not be made in the this will not have the effect of making the automated Skinner. Okay, this is the volume section. This then comes the option chain index. This is a very vital who are who will have to will have to trade in Nifty and Bank Nifty option or future. Okay, this is very vital because I have made it because option chain is there for in various sites, but with those data interpretation, data analysis, and taking the constructive decision, that is the most important part of trading investing. When I have changed it from Bank Nifty to Nifty, Nifty had automatically come. Okay, Nifty have automatically come. Then here I have put some logic criteria. Okay, this portion is there is total PCR ratio, total put call ratio, total put call total put open interest, total call open interest. Okay, total volume. Okay, everything is there, and high low VWAP price, and whether the price is greater than VWAP or less than VWAP, and and there here it is for every strike price. There I have calculated the PCR ratios and put option my put open interest minus call open interest for every strike price. Okay, up to 10 level upward and up to 10 level downward from the current market price. Okay, you can see here from the table the current market price. It will all will be available within 5 data delay, maybe 5 minutes, maximum 5 minute data delay. Within 5 minutes, and all the data will be updated. And these are the signals. Okay, buy signal, sell signal we will get from here. Another thing is another thing I have made here is trending put and call option, highest put and call option in descending order. Okay, call and put option I have taken 5 up to I have taken the 10, and then I have made a chart. See here, put option is higher than the call option. Then it means that the put market is bullish. Okay, and here it is here come the strike price versus call and total call option and total put option. See here, you can see from here that at 18,400 there is a call selling is greater than the put selling. There is a resistance, and support is here 18,300. Then you have to see the changes in call option and put option. 18,400 is at 18,400 there is a resistance, but see here the in the change put change in open interest is almost nearer to the call open interest. So that's why there is a likely that it will move upward. You can gauge the probable movement upside or downside. Okay, and after seeing this, you can see the Nifty Bank Nifty technical. This is that is the next step. Okay, Nifty daily, weekly, monthly, and 1 hour 15 minute every indicators is there. Bank Nifty every indicators, and then the buy sell levels. Okay, you can see the option chain signal. Okay, option chain signal, open interest, where is the resistance, where is the support, change in open interest, what will be the probable trend, what will be the probable change in trend. Okay, and then you can take the position according to the these buy sell levels or support resistance levels. Okay, and it will be the systematic, and your chances of going the trade successful or winning trade will be higher. Okay, this is the FNO section. FNO section: increasing price, decreasing price, increasing open interest to decreasing, increasing price, increasing open interest with decreasing price, and increasing open interest, decreasing open interest, decreasing price, and means short build up, long build up, short covering, long unwinding, everything is covered here. Those who trade in stock option or stock future, you can see from here. Say Muthoot Finance. Muthoot Finance is changes is price changes 0.47%, and open interest changes also 1.23%. Then you see the option chain stock. This is option chain stock. Here there is a code for every stock. I have given the table of the stock code. So that is Muthoot Finance. I have seen that Muthoot Finance there is a likely to be on the bullish side. Then I will see here the Muthoot Finance option chain. What option chain is saying for Muthoot Finance? Where is Muthoot Finance? Yeah, here it is. This is F10. Sorry, MF10. Now I will choose from the drop down menu the MF10. Okay, I will choose from the drop down menu MF10. MF10. You can write here also. MF10. Here it appears. MF10. It will come. Okay. Then the position of what is the total call put ratio. If the put ratio here it has come. Okay, here it has come. You can see the datas. Okay, sometimes there are many stocks where the datas are greater. And see here the put side is greater than the call side, and so it is a bullish. Okay, it is a bullish. Here also you can see the changing open interest and changing open interest. The current market price basis you can see here. See here at 1000 level there is a put selling, means it is likely to cross the 1000 level. Okay, so then I will then we can see the chart. What is the chart position for Muthoot Finance? We will have a glimpse of, without seeing the chart or anything, we will have a glimpse of the any stocks position, any stock in which trend it is, and you can take a constructive decision. Here it is. Here it is the chart. You can see the chart position. It is almost inverse. It is making a inverse head and shoulder pattern. Okay, and you can see the levels of the. I will provide you the levels of all the stocks, and there will be another file, another link. See here, this is the level. There is a nice pattern. It has made a nice pattern. Okay, you can see from here. You can see its indicator, everything you can make it. It is sector, finance sector, financial service sector. You can see everything. You can check from the financial service sector performance. Okay, and then see the chart pattern itself. There is a nice pattern. Okay, those who know the chart pattern price action, it is a nice pattern, almost a W pattern. Okay, almost a W pattern. So it is likely to go upward. So you can take position of the call option or buy the future. Okay, so this is the first file. I will provide you this link. This thing will get, then comes the sectoral performance. Okay, this is a very vital. Actually, I had made two files. I had cancelled the first one, that's why it is showing this message. This is the file. Okay, here all the sectoral indexes, major indices are there, major indices performance. These are loading. It will be come within some time. Okay, daily weekly changes, daily weekly monthly changes, yearly changes, up to yearly 3 months 6 month changes, and percentage change you will get, and which sectors outperform Nifty in daily, weekly, monthly basis. Okay, daily weekly basis, daily weekly, monthly basis, daily weekly, monthly, 3 monthly, and daily weekly, monthly, 3 monthly, 6 monthly, 1 year basis. Which sectors outperform Nifty benchmark Nifty. Okay, these are the strong sector, and under sub sector these are the industries. Okay, and these are the whether this sector, which sectors outperform Nifty and Bank Nifty, outperform Nifty and Bank Nifty, which industries, and sectoral index plus the Nifty and Bank Nifty. Okay, these are the outperformer you can get. And another is daily, weekly top performing stocks and which sector. Okay, you can see the stocks position, then sector, then the which sector, and these stocks have outperformed Nifty and sectoral index, each sector's index in daily, weekly, monthly, 3 monthly, 6 monthly basis. I have posted here. Okay, then sectoral index, after that sectoral index, and this one, and then you can see the fundamental. I have also made the fundamental. Okay, you can see here from the drop down menu, you can see the all the stocks quarterly result. See, say for I am going to anything, and actually net is slow, so it is it will come, there is no problem. You should have a high speed internet connection to get the result. Say any stock I can choose from here. Say for Ambutanjan I am choosing. The net is a little bit slow, that's why it's a closing problem. Ambutanjan is quarterly result. Okay, this quarterly result, you can see the profit and loss. This profit and loss, this is loading, it will come. Okay, this is loading, profit and loss, balance sheet. Okay, we will get all the information which we will get in chart skinner.in. Okay, and here I have made various screen based on the various criteria, but the common criteria are financial issues should be strong, there will be a growth in sales growth, profit growth, and sales growth, profit, these are coming now. Okay, sales growth, profit sales growth, profit growth, and and return. These things I have kept in common, and after all probable probable combination I have made for and various skinners I have made it here. Okay, and the mutual top rank mutual fund, those which are top rank mutual fund according to CRISIL, those stocks portfolio, those funds portfolio I have given here. Okay, it will be updated time to time. This is the fundamental, and another is commodity. Those many people like to trade and swing, invest in commodity, so that's why I have made also the commodities. Here it is the commodity section. You can see the commodities here, buy sell levels, whether they near daily high, daily low, and the total indicator position. Okay, total indicators position and summary of the indicator position of every commodity. This is for gold, this is for silver, daily, weekly, monthly signal. Okay, this is gold. Okay, these are the criteria, and you will have here open interest and basis price, long unwinding, short unwinding, long. These are this is the long build up. See here, the crude oil 19 July is long build up. So you can see here the crude oil's position. What is the crude oil? What the crude oil is saying? Crude oil. This is the crude oil. Okay. This is the high low close percentage change. Okay. Whether it is near high, yes, it is near day high. Okay. The percentage change greater than 0, yes, it is greater than 0. Okay. Then you can see the bison, you can see the indicator position. See the crude oil's indicator position in various time frame, daily time frame. See the maximum moving average is exponential moving average 5 and 10 is buy, 20 is also buy, but 50, 100 on daily basis it is sell. Okay. Weekly basis, on weekly basis, and majority is sell. Okay, RSI is also below 46. Then comes the monthly basis. See, and here it is showing buying, and this is loading. It will come, no problem with it. And crude oil 1 hour, this is the buy. Crude oil 15 minute is also so some buying signal. Okay, EMA, see here the 1 hour time frame. EMAs are neutral. EMAs are neutral, but RSI is greater than 60. Okay, RSI is greater than 60. ADX is greater than 20. Okay, in 15 minute EMA is also up. EMA is also up. RSI is also up. NACD is also up. So you can see in the 15 minute signal. See here, the 15 minute signal is giving the buy signal. I have compared everything here, and then I have evaluated whether it is buy or sell. Okay, and after seeing it, when you will see the open interest position, and then see the prices, and then see the technical, technical analysis indicators, then you will have a constructive decision whether to buy or sell, and which level you will buy. Then it will be a very clear you will get a very clear perspective about your trading investment decision. Now I had also made a total market analysis, means I have given all in one place. I have given all in one place, so that we will have a better position. You will have a better perspective. Okay, you will get all the stocks positions. Okay, hope you will enjoy the video and will like the video, and all you must see the video description, because I will provide the links of this Google Sheets in the video description itself, and also I will write down the rules for trading investment by using how to use it by using this auto screener. Okay, and you must share with others, because so that others can get benefit from this. Thank you.